Hello everyone! Do you guys love japchae? Today I'm going to make japchae using my mom's recipe. I'll show you a way that's much faster and easier than the traditional method. The ingredients are what you see on the screen, and you don't necessarily have to add meat. This is for about 3 servings, then let's get started. First, soak the glass noodles in water for about 30 minutes. Then, drain them using a strainer. Now, for the most important part, the base sauce ingredients. Just screenshot this for easy reference. Put them all together and give it a good mix. Next, let's prep the veggies. Blanch the spinach in boiling water for just a bit. Squeeze out the excess water, then toss it with some minced garlic, a few pinches of salt, and sesame oil. Don't go too heavy on the salt since we already have the base sauce. Oh, and crush some toasted sesame seeds and throw them in too. Slice up the soaked shiitake mushrooms, julienne the carrots and onions as well. And just like that, all our mushrooms and veggies are ready to go. Set your pan to medium heat and stir fry the carrots, onions, and mushrooms first. Season them with a little salt and pepper while stir frying. Once the veggies start to soften up, add the glass noodles and the base sauce we made earlier. After stir frying for a bit, pour in about half a paper cup of water. As the water boils down, keep adding a tiny bit more so it doesn't burn. My mom added a pinch of dashida here, but if it already tastes good to you, you can totally skip it. Lastly, toss in the spinach and give it all a good stir fry. We'll also add a tiny pinch of Miwon, our magic powder. Turn off the heat, drizzle some sesame oil, and give it one final mix. Ta-da! Our japchae is done. Give this sweet and savory japchae a try. Let me know how it turned out in the comments below. I'll be back with another delicious mom's recipe next time.